Hello again. We're back at the Readmax website, and now I wanted to show you how to engage the Readmax Switch. So we already showed you how Readmax can instantly convert text just like that into the reading window. But let's say you just want to copy and paste this text as is, and maybe you're writing a term paper and you want to take an extract from the article. To make sure Readmax doesn't keep going after your text, click this little button in the lower right corner, and this pop-up will appear, and do the toggle, and that'll turn off the Readmax switch. You can just make that pop-up go away. You want to refresh your browser, and you also want to refresh this browser. And then now, instead of this text going straight into the Readmax window, it just leaves it alone, and then you can copy it and paste it in an email or a term paper or whatever you want. That's this Readmax switch. And then when you're ready to go back to Readmaxing again, you toggle it back on. And then you refresh your pages again. And there's your Readmax again, starting with a fresh instance. Okay, that's all for now. That's the Readmax switch, how to turn it on and off so you can both read and write and edit text any way you want.